Okay, so this is March 31st, and it's about just after 3 o'clock. Started snowing around, I guess, 10, so about 4 hours. Oh man. And as you can see, it's pretty bad. It's a lot of snow, and it's been coming down pretty steadily. Our parking lot is right here. Here's a tree root. I don't know, it seems pretty bad. Can't really see all that far. Visibility, I would probably say, is close to a 1/16 of a mile. I haven't checked the latest METAR at the airport, Grand Forks International Airport. But yeah, pretty bad right now. Coming down pretty good here. Oh man, blizzard, last blizzard of the year. Oh, it's getting cold. I'd rather get back inside, nice warm, get some hot chocolate. Yeah. Alright, here's a wind drift for the door. Getting bigger. Alright, goodbye.